Foxo, we arrived at Ptaro City.
That's a really good city with the tallest buildings, like a museum and not galleries and anything. I want to go see the. I want to be a vending machine to go through there.
So, Foxo, this is our hotel. The biggest hotel is really moderate. Actually, this is a Victorian era hotel. Wow, it looks so big room. Is it for you just to sleep here? Oh, I know. You can sleep in this one. Well, this is my pajamas, right? Yes, this is my pajamas. The pink one. Ah!
So the proof of sense of smell was Lemmon's favorite pajamas. It was really pink. That's really good.
Now I can go to sleep without a hitch. Well, then night. Sleep tight, Boxel.
So now I had a light be turned on to vending machine. I am now just a vending machine who needs to go to sleep. And so Lemmis is sleeping at the hotel. That's all.